In today's lecture, we are going to learn knapsack problem through dynamic programming. So suppose this item weight and value is given. This will be given already. So 4 number of items are there and weight W1, W2, W3, W4 and the value I have considered V1, V2, V3, V4. So for that one formula capacity is 5, W is equal to 5 and the formula is given like this, that if J minus Wi is less than 0 then we will use this one, and if J minus Wi is greater than or equal to 0 then we will use this formula, whatever is maximum between them plus the value. So we will start by making the table. So first we will make the table. I'm making the table here. Okay, fine, I'm making the table here. So capacity, right? So capacity is 5. Fine. So capacity J5. So I'm writing from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the items are 4. Right. So I'm writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of items, 4. Capacity is 5 to 5. Make like this. Right. So what is the first rule? We will do in the starting? In the starting, it is supposed that 0th row and 0th column value is 0 initially. So we will put 0 everywhere. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Initially, it is supposed that all the values are 0. Right? So now we need to start from here, this value. So here, I value is also 1, J value is also 1. We need to calculate this value. Right? So we will start from here. What is the formula? Fi minus 1j, right? Fi minus 1j. So I value is 1, j value is 1. So I value is 1, so it will be 0. So we can say 0, comma 1, right? J value is 1. Now we need to check that j minus wi is 0, less than 0, greater than or equal to 0. What is that, right? So we will check j minus wi. J value is 1, right? Because we are talking about this. So j value is 1. And I value is also 1. So we are talking about W1, right? So what is W1 here? Okay. See here again, 0, 1, right? So J value is 1 here because we are calculating here. So J is also 1, I is also 1. So J value is 1, so we are writing here 1. Then Wi. Wi means I is equal to 1. So Wi means W1 is equal to 2 here. It is given in the table. So we will write 1 minus 2, that is less than 0, right? Because it is equal to minus 1. So less than 0. So we will use this one. So we will see what is the value of 0, 1. I minus 1j, it means that we are considering here 0, 1. So, so we can say 0th row first column. What is the value of that? 0. 0th row first column, right? I minus 1j, so 0, 1. So 0th row first column value is 0, so we will write here 0 again. Right? So its value is 0. Now we will come to the next point. This we need to calculate. I value again is 1, but j value is changing here. J value is 2 here. So what we will write? We will write I minus 1j, right? So I am directly writing here I minus 1, 1. So I is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Right? And j from this formula, j. J is here what? 2. So I am writing here 2. So what we are calculating now? 0, 2. So again we will see j minus wi, right? So j value is here what? 2. J value is here what? 2. And wi value is same. Because I is same. Right? I is same. So wi value is same. So that is 2 here. As we have seen here 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So which formula we will use? This formula. Which formula we will use? This formula. So we will see what is the value here. Fi minus 1j. So it is the meaning of I value is 1 here. So 0. And j value is 2 here. So 2. 0, 2. So we will write what is F02 value. Right? And comma. Next I minus 1 again. So I minus 1. I value is 1. So 0. Right? 0. Then j minus wi. So j minus wi we have calculated right now. Its value is also 0 here. We have seen just now. So right. Plus vi. Vi means I value is 1. Right. Vi means I value is 1 here. So v1. What is the v1 value? V1 value is 12. It is given over here. Right. So we will write 12. According to the formula, we are writing these two values plus vi. Vi is 12 as we have seen. So we will write here 12. Right. So we will take what we will see what is the 0 to value. 0 to value 0th row second column. 0th row second column. So its value is 0, right? And F00 value. So it will be 0 only, right? 0, 0, 0 only. So and plus 12. So what is maximum between 0 only, and this is also 12. So what is the value of it? 12. Because formula is maximum of these two, because between comma, so its value is 0. So whatever is there, 0 plus vi. Vi value is 12. So its total value is 12. So what we get here, f02 value. What we were calculating? We were calculating for first row, second column. So that value we will get, that value is 12. That value is 12. Right? So like this we can calculate by putting 1 value. So I am just completing one row because I just need to show you how we can do that. So in this row all the value will be 12, then and we will calculate in that way only. Now come to the next, so that we can see here what is a different value here. So if we check this value here, so this value is what? So we are able to see this value is, we will check now. So this is I value is 2, j value is 2 here. I value is 2 and j value is 2, right? So what we are calculating from this formula, I minus 1. So we can say I minus 1, so its value will be 1, right? 2 minus 1 and j value is 2. So we are calculating f12. Right, now we will see j minus wi value. J minus wi value. So according to the j minus wi value, we will check. What we will check? J value is here what? We are talking about this value, right? So j value is here 1, sorry. The I value was 2 and j value was 1, sorry. So we are calculating I minus 1 and j value 1. So j minus wi, j value is 1, right? Wi is 2 here now. So w2 value we will check. What is the w2 value here? W2 value is here 1. So we will write 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So again we will see with this formula, right? So what value will come? Will value come I minus 1, right? So I minus 1, because we are talking about this, I minus 1 is 1 here, right? And j value is 1 here, 1 comma f I minus 1, again 1 here, 2 minus 1 1, j minus wi value is 0, we have seen here 0 plus vi. So we are talking about second row. So v2 values we have seen here. Yeah, we will see what is the v2 value here, 12. It's 10. So we will write here 10, right? So f11 value, what is f11 value? We can see from the table, f11 value is 0. So we are writing here 0. f10 value, first row and 0th column, right? So its value is also 0. So we are writing here 0 plus 10. So we are able to see this is minimum, so 0 plus 10, so its value is 10, right? So its value is 10 here. Like that we can calculate. So if we calculate all, so at the end what we will get, that value is 37, and that is the maximum value we will see here. So according to that we will see this table, we will complete like this. Something value will come. I am just putting those value which are approximately equal. So these are the values. So I am just putting those values, and after that we can complete the table. And after completing the table, what is our role here? Our role here, that we need to cross check which set we can go with, or if I am going to complete the table, just showing you how we can complete the table. I am just filling the table. So as we are able to see that our table is completed now. So now we need to see which one is the best set. So as we are able to see, this 37 is giving us the maximum value, and we want maximum value with the capacity, that is 5. So this is the maximum capacity, maximum value. So we will take 4th. And what is the capacity of 4th? We are able to see 2 weight, right? So we will take maximum value. So we are choosing the 4th one, right? What we are choosing? 4 5. What we are choosing? 4 5 with maximum value 37. As we are able to see, the value is 37. So I am writing here f 4 5 with 37 maximum value, right? Now if we check 3 5, right? 3 5, this is 3 5, it is less than that. So we are able to see what is the maximum, we are taking that, right? So 1 is completed. So the weight, we can say we have taken 2, because the 4th item weight is 2 here, right? So for total capacity is 5. So how much weight is left? 3 weight is left. So now we will see what next we can take, right? So we will go next. So what we will see, that 37. Then we will see next is 3 4, right? 3 4 is having 30, right? So but the 30, right? After that we are having 30, 3 4, fine. So this is 3 4. So we will take the weight of 3. Weight of 3 is 3, right? So weight of 3 is 3. Suppose if I am taking, so weight will be 3, we are taking 3, so total will be 5. So we will not get that maximum value. I'm just showing you, so I'm writing so that you will get an idea. If we are taking this weight, so this is 2, this is 3, this is 5 weight completed, and the value will be 67 only, but we can get it more. So we will drop this idea here. I will show you how, right? So now next we will go with the 22. Now we will go with the 22. If we take the 22, right, 3 3. So if I'm taking here this 22, so again its weight is same, because its weight is same, this weight is same, because this is the third one, weight is 3. So with the same value in the second one, with the same value with the second one, right? So we are able to see here second weight is 1 here, but the value we are getting same. So what we will choose? Second. What we will choose? Second. Clearly we are able to see this value is, we have seen weight is 3, so 3 plus 2 will be 5 and value is 67 only, but we want more. So we will go with that, the value is less. So again in the same value we are able to see that here weight is less, so we will choose that one because weight is 1 here. So what we can take, I'm just showing you here right now. So this we are not taking, 37 we have taken, then what we are taking? 22. Now we are taking 22 with the second one, right? So the second one weight is, the fourth one weight was 3, second one weight is 1, so I'm writing here 1. So sorry, its weight was 2, not 3. 2 plus 1, 3, right? Still 2 weight are left, and we reached, you are able to see, I'm just adding it here, 7 to 9 and 59, right? So more we can get. So one is 4 5. Now I'm taking the next one is 2 3. We have chosen 2 3, right? With the weight is 1. Weight is 1. Now one more we can take with the 2 value, because 3 is completed. Now total capacity is 5, so we can take one more with the 2 value, right? So we will go with that. So next is 12. We are able to see all are 12 here. So we can take 1 2 1 3, whatever we want. So suppose if I am taking 1 2, the first one only, so 12 with the weight is 2 here. Weight is 2 here. The first one weight is 2 here. So only 2 capacity was left because total weight capacity is 5 and we have completed 3. So 2 can also be possible, right? So suppose if I am taking 1 2, right? So weight is 2. So total weight we can say 5. Capacity is 5, right? Our capacity is 5 and we have completed the capacity 2 1 2 5, right? Now we will see the first value was 37, second value was 22, and now I have taken 12 also from this because I have chosen this 1 2. All are same, you can choose anyone in this, no problem. So what we can do, 59 is there, 71. So what value we get? 71, and earlier what we were getting? 67. So this is not the correct choice, this is the correct choice. So we can say what will work? It will work what we have taken? First, second and the fourth one. We have taken the fourth one, second one and the first one, right? So this is the combination in which we are getting the maximum value, that is 71 with the capacity 5. So this is all about the knapsack problem through dynamic programming. So if you like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.